Hello, hello. Hi. I know it's been a long time, but I'm back. And I want to show you guys this really natural, quick, minimal product makeup look that I've been loving, and it eats down even in photos, okay? So I'm starting out with the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face and Eye Base. You want to make sure your skin is prepped. Like, I still did my skincare routine, and now we're jumping into makeup, and this Bobbi Brown is a part of the prep. Now we're going to do brows. I've been doing my brows differently, okay? So this is the Benefit Fluff Up Brow Wax. I like it because it gives kind of like soap brows, but in like a little container, versus like their brow setter. That's like holding spray for your brows. It's a little different. So this is a wax. I apply it, then I press it with my finger. And we can leave out the house just like that, girl. But I'm going to go in with this micro filling brow pen that they have. It's kind of like a little marker. It has like 3 little lines, and it gives you like those hair-like strokes. So I really enjoy that, and it doesn't look too like artificial or like too fake, too thick, too dark. So I would definitely check this pencil out or this pen if you like that like style of like some brow strokes. Now I still love the Benefit Precisely My Brow, but sometimes I switch it up, and this is me switching it up sometimes. Jumping into skin, you already know. I'm using this Milk Makeup Primer, Hydro Grip Primer. It does help the makeup lay and stick. Now we're jumping into concealer. This is the Pat McGrath. Y'all, the Pat McGrath concealer is really one of the best concealers on the market. I love it. All of my product information will be in the description box, as well as links to shop if you guys are interested. All of my shades and everything. But you see how I placed the concealer, not too much. And then I'm going to take my Danessa Myricks. This is her like cream bronzer, and apply with a nice little foundation brush everywhere I need it to be, and then I'm gonna blend this out. So I'm really about to start blending. I'm gonna let y'all watch me blend. I'm not gonna talk too much, but yeah. So now we are blending out the concealer, and this is a Sephora concealer brush that I really like. But look at this concealer blend out on my skin. I'm telling y'all, like, this concealer is so good. I don't know if it be getting the hype, or got the hype, or want the hype, or need the hype. I mean, we already know Pat, when she came out, it was crazy, but it still is really good to this day. So if you have not checked out this concealer, I would definitely recommend it. It is on the pricier side, but she stay having a sale. And the sale be like 35% off, like no joke, 30% off. So definitely check out her site. So I'm going to take a clean paper towel and wipe off the brush, because I'm going to blend a little bit more. Blend that concealer and the cream contour together. And now we're going with cream blush. And this is from LYS. As I mentioned, the shade will be in the description box. But we added some blush, because blush is definitely a 2023 thing. Heavy on the blush, especially the cream blush. And then we're going to go in with powder for sure. But yeah, this is a very pretty shade. And I just got this, so I've been liking it. Now for the start of the show, grab your favorite foundation powder. Mine is the Fenty Beauty foundation powder. This is in the shade 345. You already know I'm a 345 girl. But this is what pulls it together and makes it look like you have on a full, liquid foundation. But it's not heavy. You really don't feel like you have on anything. The transfer is not crazy or nothing like that, because we're going to set it down with our setting spray. And it just gives you a very nice skin-like finish. And I have been loving this. Like, I got so many liquid foundations, but I always opt to do this routine. One, is quicker, it's easier, and it looks really good, very natural, and your skin is shining through. You look like yourself. You just look very put together. Girl, I was singing, going off, honestly. Going off, like, who am I? Now we are setting the under eye. This is the Fenty Beauty foundation powder in 300. So a little bit lighter to keep the highlighted vibes going. Okay, we don't want to be dark under the eye. I love this powder for under the eye as well. Definitely something that you should check out if you have not. And if you have a favorite foundation powder, comment down below, because I'm always open to trying new products. But this one been eating for me, okay? Now we're going to go with this like bronzer blush duo from Benefit. This is the Hula Caramel, and the blush is Tiara in this, I believe. So I'm just going to use both of these, setting that cream contour and that cream blush, adding some color to our cheeks and making us look all cute. And you already know, I'm adding bronzer to my eyes. I haven't really done a really in-depth eye look in a very long time. I love applying bronzer to the eye. When in doubt, girl, apply some bronzer to the eye. Add a lash, add some mascara, add a liner, we're good to go. This is the Morphe setting spray, melting those powders together. And then we're gonna go with mascara, which y'all, I think I found a banger. And I ain't even gonna stunt. Oh yeah, I wanted a more luminous finish, so this is a Milk Radiant like glowy spray. I had to do that before mascara. But the mascara that I'm about to show y'all is this Benefit Fan Fest. Now Benefit been doing mascaras, okay? I've tried a few of their mascaras. Some they usually transfer under my eye. I haven't had the best luck. This one, y'all, is bomb. So first of all, I wore it cleaning up my beauty room or cleaning up my room one day, and I'm like, I'm gonna wear it on one eye to see if it transfers. Because I get tired of putting on mascara, trying it, and I go out and now my eye all black. This did not do that. It looks really good. As you can see the difference from one eye to the other. While I have my primer on, I'm adding some highlighter right here, but you know, because I have to do the lash primer. I'm just obsessed with lash primer, and I just don't have time for the mascara to be bleeding. But anyway, this Fan Fest mascara, I would really recommend. Like, I'm so surprised. I thought it was going to crisp up on me, get dark under my eye. It didn't do none of that. Jumping into lips really quick after my tangent on that mascara. This is ColourPop BFF3, the usual. And then I'm going in with a darker brown liner. Like, you can do whatever you want to do. You know, you don't have to always use the exact same products, but I love the ColourPop liners. They're very affordable. And here you can do a lipstick, a gloss. I went ahead and put on my clothes, and now I'm doing a gloss from Essence. Y'all know I love that $4 gloss from Essence. Bomb from Ulta, okay? And yeah, this is the final look. I feel like I look really good. And I don't look like I have a lot on. I look like myself. But y'all can let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching and making it to the end of the video. I love y'all. And we back at it. Peace.